Hello, Circlers! Today we are going to go over the social links element inside of Blast. So the social links element is located right here, and you would click that and drag it over to your Blast and place it wherever you want. And now you have the option to add the social link icons here that are associated with your Circle account. So these are all the social links that you've set up inside of your settings, and what you need to do is just click on one of them to add it to your Blast. Now it's important to know that if any icons here are missing that you would like to add, you can add them by going into your settings here and then clicking on one of these icons and adding the link. It's also important to know that the only social links you can add are those that are added here, aka the ones that are directly associated with your Circle account. Let's say you want to add a social link for the Facebook page of somebody that you are featuring inside of your Blast. You are not able to do that. If you want to do that, you would have to add a button. Now we have some more information below, so please check it out. And if you have any questions, let us know by using the chat bot in the bottom right-hand corner. Until next time, have an awesome one.